In today's episode, let's seal in the rust. This is my 1970 Datsun 521. My overall goal for this truck is to turn it into a work truck. Today's goal is to keep the patina look. There's a bit of surface rust, but overall it is a solid truck. There's a few rust hole around, but the largest area is the passenger door. Eventually I will get it patched up. I have not decided how yet, but we'll decide that once we need to cross that bridge. I just need to get it running well. To get it here on the driveway, I've already started by running an IV line directly from the jerry can to the engine, and I have replaced the brake master cylinder and the two rear wheel cylinder and bled the whole entire system. Now, I wouldn't trust it during an emergency stop, but with 2 to 3 pumps, the truck will stop dead. Future to-do items will be to clean up the interior, just so it will be more comfortable to drive in, and so I can hear my music while driving. I just want to keep it on the road. You don't see these on the road anymore, and it definitely deserves to be on the road. Alright, let's get started. First, let's give it a wash. You know what would have been smart if I were to flip the car around? The slope will allow all this water to kind of drip down the driveway. You know what? Let's do that. Let's flip the car around. What? 2 pumps? 2 pumps. Gotta give it 2 pumps. Brakes are good, but not good enough. Hey, you. Let's do this. Alright, back to work. To cheat dry it a little bit, I'm gonna grab a leaf blower and just start blowing. Speed up the process. I feel like I need another round of soap. I'm gonna give another round of soap, especially the hood area. So we're only gonna do the exterior with the Penetrol. The goal of all this is so that I can know that it can sit out here in this weather and it'll survive a few more years. There is a part of me that really wanna lowering it, upgrade the wheels, some nice classic Yankees, 15-inch instead of the current 14s. A part of me want to keep the 14s for cast's sake. Because again, today the mindset is this is a work truck. I don't want to put too much money into the truck when I'm just gonna use it as my work truck. That way I don't feel too guilty banging it up. Because once I go beyond a work truck, we kind of want to build it to be a nice custom mini truck. At that point, I don't know, I just feel like I may not be too willing to really scratch it up. So we will see. Maybe you guys can tell me what you guys think. Keep it work truck or really restore it. All right, looking better. Okay, I'm satisfied. All right, so I've let it dry for a good maybe 10-20 minutes. And now Let's try it. So this is the product that we're using. It is called Flood Penetrol. I'm gonna use it almost like a wood stain to seal everything up so that the rust will stop. So let's see how this goes. Again, this is my first time using it. All right, let's go. I'm gonna start very small. One, I don't know how much time I have. It has been about 45 minutes. The boys may be waking up soon. All right, you guys ready? Apply a very generous amount onto the paint. Can you guys see the difference? Look at that. Right, here you go. What do you do about this badge? I'm just gonna throw it on. You know what? We're going for it. Just throw it on there. That's good. Let's get some more. I just heard one of the boys. Looks like I have to pack up and get inside. Daddy duty beckons. Hopefully we can continue this today. All right. Gave the kids some food. Elsa is inside watching the two boys. I want to try to see if I can put some more time onto the truck. But it's been about 30-40 minutes and this is how it's currently looking. I don't know if you guys can see it from the sun, but it looks pretty good there. Kind of like it. And I'm definitely excited to get it all going, to cover the whole entire truck. So as you notice, I took off my gloves. We should definitely wear the gloves because again, this thing feels like it can stick onto your skin. I'm being very careful because I'm only using it once I finish with this fender. I have to come back in to the house. Right, I'm back at it again. So now this thing has been drying for about, I want to say, two hours. I'm going to continue and hopefully I'll have at least an hour. So let's get to work. Let's hope I can finish everything today, or at least the first coat. If I can at least get the first coat today, I'll be happy. I can see myself in the car now. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but for example, here you go. So this side is with the Penetrol, this side is not. So you can't see, kind of see my shadow over here, but look, hey, you can actually see me over this one. Really cool. Anyways, I need to stop talking and just get this done quick. Let's go. car. It's really dirty. Oh, yeah. Where are you guys going? You guys are going next door. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
You want a picture? Say hello, everybody. Ren, say hello. Keep an eye on Worry, please. Worry, let me see your hand. Yeah.
They wanted to go out.
Yeah.
Remy, come here.
You took my camera. Cameraman.
Remy, come back.
Remy, come back.
Come back.
Rory, come back. Big Daddy Day. Come on. Can I have it, please? Hi, Rory.
How are you?
Quay được động xe chưa? Looks like I have to speed things up. Kids are getting antsy. We need attention. Gotta give them their attention. If not, I risk them breaking the house. You're gonna destroy the house. Alright. I think I am done for a day. I didn't get to go in and do the bed yet. That will have to be for another day. Gotta get in there and take care of the kids. But let's do a quick external shot. Make sure I'm not missing any spot. I did this whole area. Alright, it looks good. I like it. I don't know how it's showing up on camera, but it looks really good. It's getting nice and new and shiny, and yet old, plastic, and rustic at the same time. Thanks for watching.